Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox and have a look at the Ulanzi TC001 clock. So basically this is a multifunctional clock where you have time, weather, and it also shows you your current YouTube subscribers and other social media platform subscribers or followers. So there are some limited options, but I'm going to mainly use it to see my real-time YouTube subscribers because it motivates me to make more useful videos. So anyways, I bought it from AliExpress and it costed me around, I would say, $60 to $70. It is expensive, but it is way cheaper than the another version, which is the Sony YouTube subscriber clock, and it's worth $200 or $240 if I am right. So this is way cheaper than that. Here is the box of the clock. As you can see right here, it can show time and your followers. TC001 is the model, desktop clock, Ulanzi is the brand. On the top we have these things: pixelated clock, it shows your number of fans or followers. Tomato work method, it also shows your weather. So here Ulanzi, on the back it's a video accessory, and here we have its serial number and again Ulanzi. So nothing too much, but really good packaging. Anyways, let's open it. Inside the box we have this form, I guess. Yep, so that the clock is protected. And first of all, here we have its user manual. So basically it's in Chinese in this side and it should be in English on the other side, so you can read it so you know what the different functionalities do and so on. However, I will show you a basic setup on how you can connect it with the Wi-Fi and how you can show your YouTube subscribers. For other social media platforms, you can refer to the manual. Other than that, we have a USB type C to USB type A cable because it has a built-in battery, so you can charge it with any normal phone charger, only the cable is provided. And lastly, we have this qualified sticker and here we have the actual clock. So I don't know the exact size of the screen, but it's pretty big, so you can see it. Here we have a protective covering. Okay, so I might have removed it incorrectly, so I'm going to try to remove the covering. Basically this is a protective sheet which you can remove. On the top we have these buttons, 3 buttons right here. This is a light sensor Ulanzi. So here we have this grill type. I don't know these are speakers or not, but it does not look like. On the back we have the charging port, and most probably one of these is the reset button. On the bottom we have these rubber feet, so you cannot mount it to the wall. It's most probably made to sit on some kind of stand, on the table like this. So that's the thing. So let me try to remove this plastic and then we're going to power it on. Here we have the plastic or the protective film, and here we have the cool screen. So in order to power it on, you're going to click on this left and right button continuously for 3 seconds around, and here we have it, Ulanzi. Again the pixelated screen, so it's going to show Wi-Fi and you can connect it with your Wi-Fi so you can use it. So it's going to show an IP address according to your device. On your phone you're going to open settings and you're going to open Wi-Fi, and here you should see your clock. In my case U clock, so I'm going to click on it and it should connect it. So after 5 seconds it will automatically open this page if you're connected with your clock. So you need to enter the SSID, which is basically your home Wi-Fi name and its password. So I'm going to enter mine right now. I have entered my credentials and now it's going to try to connect the clock with the internet. So now the clock will show a new IP address and it will be automatically disconnected from the phone. Now make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, to that one that is connected with the clock, and we are going to open any browser and we are going to type the IP address that we see in our clock by opening any browser like Safari. So in my case it's this one. I'm going to click on go, and you can see by default it's opening the Ulanzi page where we can configure this clock. So you have your language, your brightness, which you can set from manual to auto, your night brightness, your switch speed, which I think is it's going to switch between these time and these other things. So I don't want any switch, as I'm going to mainly use it for my YouTube subscribers. You have this scroll speed as well, which you can change. The time zone is auto, however you can set it for your area. In my case it's +5. The format hour, minute or second, and you also have this hour minute section. You have your date format. If you want to show the week, you can show it, or you cannot show it, the first day of the week, and we're going to click on save. Once all the settings are saved, you can see the clock has been updated. So we can go to the next page, and this is where you can set the time, date. You can tell whether you want to show the weather, the Bilibili fans, Vimeo fans, YouTube, and so on. So I'm more interested in the YouTube fans. I'm going to enable this option, and by default it will not show it. If I'm going to click on this gear icon, it's need my YouTube UID, my YouTube API key, and then I can select the animation type, the color, and the number format. So you can select any specific number format you want to, or none. So it's showing that for the channel ID I need to log into YouTube website, click on my profile picture, select my channel, then it will show channel ID, and I just need to enter it, enter Google Cloud Console to receive my API key. So I will come back with both of these two things. If you are interested, I can make a complete video as well. So after playing it with some time, I finally figured it out. Basically I was not enabling the API on the Google console. Anyways, it's showing my current subscribers. Basically 7583 are the current subscribers, but it's showing like 580. So I need to fix that. I think so it's going to show in pairs of 100, but I'm going to figure it out later. But you can see it's looking pretty cool, and it's going to look cool on your table. But overall guys, this was the unboxing and the quick setup of the Ulanzi TC001 subscriber clock. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe